Good morning everyone. We'll start with class 6, subject social science. We'll start again with civics, chapter 2nd, discrimination and inequality. So this is the third video of this chapter. In our previous video we discussed about diversity, prejudice, stereotype. So today we are going to discuss discrimination and inequality. So first we talk about discrimination. What is discrimination? Discrimination is the unjust treatment of different group of people, especially on the ground of race, religion, gender, language, etc. We can also say that discrimination is prejudice in action. When we discriminate against people, our stereotype impact our thoughts and actions. Discrimination happens as a result of social bias. So in what ways do people discriminate? Very often we can see discrimination between the rural and the urban, the rich and the poor, the literate and the illiterate, Hindi speaking and non-Hindi speaking, high caste and low caste, etc. In many places or families there is discrimination between boys and girls. Girls are not educated, they are made to do domestic works and take care of younger siblings, while boys are sent to school. The government of India has started a campaign by the name of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana that aims to generate awareness amongst the people and improve the condition of girls. So here are some ways in which discrimination happen. When people look down upon a person or a certain group of people. When people look down upon groups whose culture is not considered valuable, for example, tribal communities. When all the members of a particular group of people are not given the same benefit or status, when certain groups of people are stopped from taking part in certain activities, when people are not allowed to take up jobs on ground of caste, religion, gender, etc., when people are not permitted to own a house or live in certain localities, when certain people are not allowed to eat and drink with others. Many people may be discriminated on ground of their religion, custom, practice, language, regions and race, which are different from larger population. Discrimination is also done on the basis of economic background or the nature of work people do. So next we talk about inequality. What is inequality? Inequality is the existence of unequal opportunities and reward for different social positions or status within a group or society. Two more reasons for discrimination in India are poverty and caste. So first we talk about poverty. Poverty is the state of being economically weaker than others. It is a condition in which people are deprived of basic needs like clothing and shelter. Poverty leads to discrimination and inequality. People are the poor because of lack of resources and opportunity. They are not able to meet their basic needs. This gives rise to inequality in society. You might see that the poor are discriminated against and not treated properly in hospital, school, etc. People who earn their living by cleaning, washing, cutting hair, making pottery, farming, carpentry, fishing, etc. are not given as much respect or importance as given to those who are doctors, engineers, lawyers, professors, etc. Their work is given less value, and people who do these tasks are seen as dirty, as impure. The belief of high or low social status is an aspect of the caste systems. So look at this. This is your homework. Fill in the blanks. This homework is from your first, second and third video. Thank you.